just her in that little area. Don't hit the truck. Bro. Do you like this highway life?
Huh?
The highway life?
Highway life. Oh, snap! Whoa! Oh! Slow down a little bit. Get a little slow. Yep. I want to slip in his ice. Slow it down.
Right.
Rolling your icy.
Do you feel... Bro.
No! Woo! Woo! Almost got it there.
Almost.
Oh.
Bro.
Alright, he's running after the deer.
Gotta catch his deer.
Alright, buddy. Wow, cleared up real fast.
Oop.
Oh.
Get some fog.
Oh! Woo! A little foggy.
Now you can't see. Bro, no!
I didn't see that. Alright, let's get to it. Let's offset back. Back to it. That truck to the liver. Oh no, not to the liver. Alright.
A new day. New day.
Oh, happy. Listening to music.
Yes. Driving.
Beautiful day out.
What are you carrying?
Weather's been a little bit strange.
Right.
Yeah.
Changed a lot.
Bipolar weather. What's that? Bipolar Texan weather.
Yo.
Woo! Rain days. Says 80.
Oh.
80 miles per hour.
I guess so. Wait, why are you... Do you feel it?
I feel.
Oh god. The whole thing is shifting with you. Bro.
Woo! Well, been a little shaky there. Gotta keep my eyes on the road.
Eyes on the
Oh,
road.
that's not the gear again.
No!
And
It hit the back.
it hit the back. I see it running right there. It's still alive.
Flesh wound.
Flesh wound.
The flesh wound.
Alright.
Get it
I'm not
rolling.
gonna be able to deliver my
Your
my
iPad.
delivery on time.
No.
Got a couple mangoes from Mexico in the
Man.
Do you drive, Herman?
back.
No, I'm just checking. Does it feel different in your car?
This feels so much like stranger.
Yeah.
I mean,
Takes longer to stop.
woo.
Bro, oh my god.
You got a lot of truck behind you.
Oh yeah, my mangoes. I'm gonna keep them back down.
The mangoes.
They're rolling around back there. I'm not gonna take my order.
You're hauling mangoes.
I'm hauling mangoes from Mexico.
Bro, the
Oh snap! Oh no! Oh.
Fast where you go.
Oh my god. Bro.
Me and you too.
Oh, he let me pass. It wasn't for me, it was for the person in front of
Yeah,
me.
yeah, yeah. The person in front.
Whew. They almost confiscated my mango. Oh, that's a marshmallow?
The music. Yo.
Oh, there's a motorcycle behind me. Uh-oh. Oh, snap.
Hit him.
When a shopkeeper smashed the window, we worried we'd have to fight to get paid for such a small claim.
Your knife would revolve around the shopkeeper.
Ads.
Oh, snap.
Oh, the ads. Geico.
Oh my god. Is it golden?
Golden. Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Oh my god. The music. The music.
Focus on driving and me.
No.
it's an 18-hour
18-hour drive.
18-hour drive.
Yes.
He was going over to Florida.
If they make it.
One night too.
Just
You ever
one.
done 1,800 miles in one night? I'll take it. Well, I'm gonna take the exit.
Do you know where you're going? Oh.
We're hauling mango.
Oh, man.
No.
Oh, no. Oh,
Go.
Here's my exit.
No, you got it.
Make a lot of money doing that job right there.
Oh, yeah.
That's true.
Here goes.
Oh, oh, oh,
Oh, oh,
oh.
Woo!
Nearly missed it.
Oh, snap. Oh,
You're gonna flip over.
my mango. These people are crazy.
Oh my god.
I don't know who's chasing who. The people are chasing the deer. The deer chasing the people.
Erie boys,
Whoa.
they're kind of big on. They're like rolling it. They're working so much, but they're still so like.
Oh god.
Right, it's a hustle for life.
What's been your favorite taste
Oh,
of
I'm gonna
different
like
chocolate
slow on
chips?
some red right
No, no. That's why.
Oh. Woo. Hour 16.
Woo.
I gotta stop at the gas station.
Do you know where you are? Or no?
Yes, I'm on. Woo.
Just driving?
Oh, snap.
Oh my god.
Oh, almost lost control.
Right, and that's why I think about it. So like, man, the median salary is like 60 something. I mean, 60. So if you make around that, you're doing better than most.
No YouTube Premium.
I can't complain. We just went on a trip for a spring break. I was like,
Oh my god.
we were off for a whole week. The college just gotta like bargain for that. It's just, yeah, that's cool. I like that you're doing that. They're actually, I think it also helps when I walk people around the space. Be able to explain like Cause this is kind of recent numbers, right?
Can you change your car?
Oh, can I go off-roading, guys? Go off-roading.
Yeah, that's good.
Hold on now.
Right. Back on the road.
It's a lot of times.
Alright. Oh,
Just trying to figure out how to get students more engaged.
You are swinging that truck around. Can you change the car? Like on that little thing. Maybe you stop the car. Oh my god.
Airport in Southwest too, like Airport Beach, Southwest Airlines. Trying to get hey,
What are you driving?
like, no, I need to talk to somebody else. You're not the right person.
Ooh.
Somebody can be good. You're not a decision maker.
Turn the
That's
key
what
on.
some
Let's
of
get
those
going.
Conversations come up. You're not a decision maker.
yeah, right. It's like we're wasting about loaded.
Oh, okay.
It's like,
Loading.
I feel like a name drop, like,
The new car.
sponsor us.
Just 1K.
One.
And
1K.
her ears perked up, but she's just like a
Ready when you are.
yes person. She's like a,
Oh, we're ready.
Turn
I'm
it
not gonna
on.
make this work. I'm not as intrigued as
Oh
to
my-
make it seem. And I'm like,
I
okay.
need a little truck.
You gotta hear it roar.
Alright.
Like, you see this space, you don't get it. Yeah. You don't see the vision.
Where are the brakes?
So,
Do you have to try the steak? Your brake is still on.
brake is still on?
Yup.
How do I pick that up?
Oh.
There we go. Alright, let's get to it.
Life is a highway. I think my dad had this truck.
My dad did too.
Right.
Well, I'm a natural at it.
That red truck. Why are you already speeding? Ma'am.
Oh, we are going 90 miles.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Speeding. Oh my god.
Okay, all right. Stand around.
Hold on now.
Oh my god.
Alright. Alright. We're
Ma'am.
back under control. Got a little out of hand there.
Please stay on the road. Life is a highway.
Air on. It's kind of hot.
Turn the AC on.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh. Now, does this feel different than the truck?
Yes. Like the other one I think you.
Oh my god. Oh. Time to go.
Woo. Alright.
Is it on? Oh.
We are in a ditch.
Maybe click a new truck. Maybe swap.
Alright, I'm gonna do the gas. The gas.
Yeah.
I'm a home gas.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Maybe swap out the truck. Get a new one.
Truck's getting a little hot.
Chad did say you might hit a dog.
Might hit a dog.
Hit a couple deers. Not that many though.
Ooh.
Oh. Ma'am?
Oh,
Are you gonna drive with no seat?
I just need to get like.
Oh, okay. Need a break. Stretch your legs.
It's been 16 hours in that thing.
You did hit your 16 hours.
Hit 16 hours. Ooh.
Are you driving with the phone now?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
You know, we gotta like.
Oh.
Gotta keep my attention span going. I'm gonna set it up like right here. So, and we'll be doing.
Right.
Alright. Alright, let's see. Let's do show dash. Oh,
Turn the key. Yep.
yep. Gotta turn the key.
The brake.
I think we gotta go back to the truck. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, sure.
The gas one is not working.
Sure. Go back to your roots. Go back to what you know.
Back to the roots. Oh, gotta load.
Loading in progress.
25 free drives.
What?
Follow instructions. Alright. Oh, we're back.
Maybe turn the key.
Alright, yep. Gotta turn the truck on.
Let's get it going. The brake.
Brake. Move it to drive. Mm-hmm. Let me turn on some air right now.
I don't think that works. I don't think there's an AC. Bro, the windshields.
Wipers.
Ma'am.
Brake. Alright. Alright,
Windshield wipers are still on. Brake is still on.
Right.
Your car's gonna blow up.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Nice. Windshield wipers are still on.
Lint roller. Look at my shit. Oh,
Oh my god. The immediate down crash when we start driving.
and I feel like I could drive trucks now.
You can drive Kaylin's like SUV. You're in the wrong lane, ma'am.
Alright.
As soon as you got on the phone,
Maybe it is the phone. Maybe I should put it down. So,
maybe reverse it.
oh, you're right. I can't reverse. Take the brake off. So, I did break the truck.
You
Total
can
the car.
you could swap to a different truck.
Let's do a dump truck.
Dump truck.
Do a dump truck.
Breaking every single one of these trucks.
Yep.
Haven't delivered one load.
My mangoes did not make it to Florida. They didn't make it to Florida, but they made it to Arkansas. Halfway there.
Close. Close enough. Oh my
We're
god.
gonna have to stop at the gas station and get a lint roller. Yummy.
The brake.
Park and brake. Take that off. Right. Oh.
Oh, no gas.
How do I turn this? Oh, let me send a picture in the family group chat.
Be like, guys, how do I do this?
See. Oh, do I gotta? Oh.
Oh my god, wait, there's VR. Those are VR stations.
We are. I'm trying to do the, look guys. I'm trying to do the firefighter.
Firefighter roleplay.
You know, I think I've mastered
Truck driving.
truck driving. I think I can do a police. Do I get a gun? Ooh, we should do the medical. What do we think, guys? She gonna hit a dog like that? You know, front desk attendant. Aquaculture.
HVAC.
Oh,
Wanna fix your AC?
hydroponics. That could be useful. Motion sickness. Dude, I was low-key getting dizzy.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, oh, perfect. All right, guys. Welcome into
ER, Dr. Yolanda,
Dr. Rivera.
Dr. Rivera. These are for like peanut allergies.
Yeah, so this is what, like,
Ah!
take it off, right? I'm gonna,
You take off the blue cap and then you push the.
so
Yeah.
this is gonna be like a how-to, in case you're having an allergic reaction. Say you're allergic to shrimp, you take some shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you eat some shrimp, and your throat starts closing up.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wrong end.
Oh,
Wrong end.
Right.
Orange cap goes into the leg.
oh, you're.
Yeah. Okay.
Take this off.
Yep. Push it. And you're good. Yes.
Yep. All right. Now.
Maybe do you want to read what the station is before we start touching him? It's right there.
Right here. Biotechnology. Okay. Oh, so this is like. Welcome to the Raspberry Pi desktop powered by Raspberry Pi OS. What we're gonna do. Right. Start.
Wait, kind of a W view.
WPOV.
WPOV.
See if I can get to Petri dish. Okay, what we're gonna do.
Start. Maybe do you want to start? Okay.
Start.
Oh,
Hello.
Does not work. Maybe it's off.
Fake interactive stuff here. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna hold you.
What do you have to do?
I don't even know. Let's switch. Sorry, y'all. Let's do the, oh, the sonography.
What the fuck is that?
All right. So this is like
Oh my god.
like pregnancy.
He looks scary. He's pregnant?
He's pregnant.
They? I don't like that. Please stop. Don't touch him.
So
Stop touching him. Female? Oh, okay.
yeah.
Female. But we won't show chat. Oh, that's female?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Not only oh wow, we have collapsed ribs over here. Not looking too good.
Is he breathing? Ew, stop.
Can I do mouth to mouth?
Stop. Oh my god.
Wow. Alright.
He's gonna be alright.
He's gonna be alright.
3 months. Size of a
Then,
watermelon.
Like, quick check in on him. Alright, let's check up on this one right here.
Oh, can you help him?
So this is just like
Do you know what that is?
yeah, this is gonna be your lungs, like healthy lungs, right?
No smoking, you can tell.
no
Look at them
smoking.
pink lungs.
Some people might this I can do.
Do you know how to do that?
Now we wrap this around ourselves. Hold on now.
Doctor, why don't you have clothes?
Doctor, I'm on my day off.
Oh,
I
okay.
just came in for this demonstration.
Oh, okay. Cool.
But like I was saying,
Okay.
we're gonna wrap this around it, and then we're gonna check our.
Your arm should not be folded.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Just let me relax. I'm a little
Yeah.
nervous with this stuff. Let's see what my pressure is. I'm a little nervous. Uh-oh.
Why isn't it letting it? It's just letting the air
Oh,
out.
I gotta tighten it out.
Oh, okay, yeah. There you go.
Ooh.
Now do you feel it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you're gonna explode your arm. Okay, I think you're good.
How long? When should I stop?
You're good. It won't stop until you. I think you're good. I think
But
you're
like,
good.
what does it measure?
Your blood pressure.
How do you know what my blood pressure is?
Is it burning? That's it. It's might be like 240.
300? Does this mean I'm diabetic?
No.
Am I a diabetic? Because I have been eating a lot of sweets lately.
I think yours is just 240, but you pushed it to the
Oh.
max.
240?
Yeah,
Hold on.
probably.
All right, let's check it
Let's
out.
Amara out. Let's Amara out.
So,
Can you? Okay, there you go.
all right.
It should not feel tight. It should feel comfortable.
Okay.
Like just a little pressure.
All right, that's still really tight.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's still really tight.
Oh. It should be like a little, like a okay squeeze.
Oh, okay. We might just need to have to. We might have to restart.
Maybe. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna do
There's a
live
seat
demonstration.
here.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
I might be sick.
Might be a diabetic.
Might be a diabetic.
Never down. Okay, good afternoon.
Whew.
I'm a nurse in training. Is this for the right one? Let's hope.
Whew. Let me relax. I get a little nervous doing these things.
What are you coming in for today?
I don't know. I've been having trouble focusing, so I think I may have like HIV.
Diabetes?
No, I mean ADD, ADHD. One of those.
Okay, so let me just get your blood pressure real quick. Just tell me when it hurts.
I feel it now.
That's it. You can go though.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So your blood pressure is 30, 40.
What that mean? What that mean?
Probably 40. Not that bad.
What
You're
that
right.
mean? Am I a pre-diabetic? I think I was a pre-diabetic when I was little. I'm not gonna lie.
You should be. You just
Oh
run
look,
it off.
ring light.
Run
What's
it
that?
off, run it off.
Run it off.
Probably AI.
AI, let's do
What
it.
is that? See those
Oh
gloves?
snap, let's do it.
Pre-diabetic. 30 blood
So it came out that I am a pre-diabetic. It's alright. Kombucha. Alright.
kombucha.
New POE. Let's see if we can get this one working. Yo, this looks
is
like
that?
a dildo.
That nobody said that.
Chat. Someone in the chat said.
What the fuck is that? Oh, coral. Is it?
Interesting.
Biotech science.
I have a friend that's studying this.
You look like a child.
Alright, let's see.
You got it?
We're checked out. Let's work with, pipette spotlight. Alright.
Are you counting the blood cells? Stream Deck? How come they have one? Hey,
Oh wow.
do you see?
Oh yeah.
What are you seeing?
What being sick feels like.
What?
Oh snap! It's some white dude coughing.
Um,
Using the Veterans Resource Center with Hector.
Some lady's blowing her nose. Yo, chat, take a look. Y'all see that, chat?
ooh, that's what it looks like to be sick.
Alright. Oh, welding. Interesting. Should
Do you know how to
show-
weld?
I do know how to weld.
Who said? Okay.
I do know how to weld.
I think it's. Oh, okay. Immediately starting.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't think you're doing anything.
I'm not looking at this. Sorry, I was letting it air out a little bit. Alright, so this is not about to come out. You guys? I'm a woman of many talents. So.
She's a doctor,
I am
bioscience,
biotech.
welder,
Yep.
semi-certified.
Not touch the robotics. Alright.
Do not touch.
Let's see what's on this side. Is there another welder? Oh yeah. Yep. My
Oh.
sister's an electrician.
Whew. ACDC electrical system.
Oh. Provides hands-on learning experience.
The power is off.
Oh. Alright.
Now you're on.
Alright, we're off.
Maybe don't do that.
Oh.
Oh shit. You don't know what you're doing. Maybe turn it off before it
I don't
blows
know,
up.
guys. I'm unemployed, so.
Do you want to hit the off switch?
Oh yeah, let's hit the off switch.
Nice.
Hit this over here.
This is what you know.
Do know how to do this.
Oh.
Where was that photo sent?
Now it's gone.
Don't know
And
where
there's-
those were sent, but it's alright.
To Facebook.
Let's see.
They're being posted on the. Oh, the robot. In front of you.
The robot. Yes. Make it mascot. Be gentle with Pepper. Pepper can be sad. Okay, Pepper. Hey, girl. Hi. I don't
Maybe don't.
Pepper kinda
Maybe
scares
you might be
me.
too close to her.
Yeah. Oh. No shade, Pepper kind of scares me a little bit. She worked at a zoo. Huh? Animal. Oh, damn.
Oh, you have to speak a little louder.
Oh, you want me to be loud? Hello. Tell me a joke.
Oh.
Ooh, alright, Pepper, chill. Pepper. I want to take a
He's doing. Elephant.
mouse. Pepper. 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 Pepper.
Wait for it to finish, right? Okay, there, look.
Pepper, don't listen. Pepper. Pepper.
See?
Pepper.
When it goes
Pepper,
purple, it's
selfie.
listening.
Pepper, selfie. Selfie. Yes. Pepper, selfie. Let's take a selfie. Selfie.
Hurry.
Yes.
What's the oh sh?
Shoot, Pepper, chill.
Hey.
W Pepper. W Pepper. Yo, Pepper kind of cute.
Done. I hope you'll hang this photo above your bed.
Hey.
I
Oh,
will.
hang.
I will. Trust Pepper. Yo, what else we got up here?
I don't.
Did we hit everything?
Goodbye, Pepper.
Bye, Pepper.
Bye.
Oh, cool. I guess Pepper.
Why is she shaking? She's on fan. She feels it.
No, for real, she better do the fat fold. Uh-oh, Pepper.
This is scary. Bye. Oh my god.
That.
Yeah.
Oh, not Is this like Amazon?
Amazon Simulator.
Amazon Simulator. Work at the warehouse simulator. Yo, WSim.
Logistics.
Oh, okay. Oh, I don't want to hit no.
Oh shit. Supply chain management. Oh yeah, I think it is Amazon.
Wow.
This is the warehouse. So that's the dildo.
Yep, that's the dude.
Those are the pink handcuffs.
That's
These-
the butt plug.
butt plug. These are all the cat ears, every color.
Mm-hmm. For the femboys. You
For
already
the
know.
femboys.
I'm the top manufacturer for femboys in the U.S., so.
Samsung?
Samsung. Interesting. The police. Wait a minute.
Uh-oh. Oh shit.
Wait a damn minute.
They glued it shut, bruh. They knew you were coming.
Damn it. The mags, the handcuffs.
Why do you know a cop so well?
I see them a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I do see them a lot. Guys. Guys in the chat. Let's see. Alright, chat. Let's, shall we whirl them around? Oh, hold on now. Wait a minute. I didn't see this.
Ew. Why did...
Okay. You think I could, like...
Chiropractor?
Alright, I'm
One, two.
Read out. 1, 2.
Ooh.
Oh, hold on.
Ooh.
You gotta do it at the beat of...
A song. Say so. Why didn't you say so? Didn't even know.
Imagine you're dying and you just hear... Didn't even know.
Oh, fuck. Let me go. Let me go. Change the song. You can't do another song.
Skin grafts.
Ew.
So,
Yeah.
are
Like
these lips?
this. I think that's just a cut.
Oh.
That might just be a cut. Might just be a stab wound.
Alright, let's do a... Should we do a...
VR.
Let's see. Start. Let's get in. Let's get into it. Oh, snap. Oh, shoot. It's over here. Hold on. I gotta start here.
Room attendant.
Room attendant?
Yeah.
Alright.
So
I can do
cleaning-
that.
Cleaning beds.
Oh, shoot. I can do that.
Shit, hurry up. You're on the clock.
I'm on the clock, guys.
Oh, hurry up.
Dude, I'm so unemployed. I'd be pretending to have jobs.
Job role player. Can you see?
Yeah, I can.
Are you
Oh,
in the bedroom?
this is so cool. This looks like Roblox. Airlink connection lost. Oh my god. Ay, Dios mío. Alright, I think we might have to move to another one.
Oh, that's probably why. They probably didn't even charge them. Guys, come on.
Come on.
Bro.
Mi gente Latino.
Mi gente Latina.
Alright, let's move to the next one because that one, connection lost.
Aquaculture?
Aquaculture.
So run it up. Or the farm laborer.
Farm labor, like Mexican roleplay. Front desk attendant, farm laborer.
Auto mechanic?
Let's do line cook, room attendant,
Nurse.
Let's do room attendant. I'm curious.
Let's finish
Finish
that
what
one.
we started.
Oh, on the clock already.
Oh, we on the clock. All right. Let's get to it. Oh man, guys. Oh snap! I gotta like back this up. It's a little tight. Imagine how many like little kids put this on their
That's
face.
probably why it's so small.
Yuck. Alright, I don't want it too tight because then it's gonna ruin my makeup, but it's low-key. Dude, something went wrong. Check network connection on the headset and try again. How?
It's probably because none of them are on the right move. This one is.
That one's
This
ready?
one's on the thing. I think so.
Okay.
We're just starting all of them. See, like this one's sitting on it. This is the one that was green. That one should be right.
Please work. Oh shoot, this one works.
Okay, clock in, hurry up.
Alright, hold on. Let me fix my hair. It's like all up in my face, bro. All up in my pussy, boy. Says something went wrong. Please try again. Bruh, don't tell me. Retry. I'm on the clock. I got 5 minutes to work. Oh shoot.
Are you up? Can you
No.
see?
See, I can see, but like, I can't really do anything because it says like network connection lost. I don't. Oh shoot. Hold on. There's Instagram on this.
What the
Yo, this crazy.
Start making posts. Go live.
Yo, what's up, guys? Can I play Roblox on this?
Why am I going on?
What you doing, bro?
Oh.
Why can I not connect? Oh wait. Include. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Chat, what y'all say? Oh my gosh, this makes me feel like I don't got my glasses. Oh my gosh.
Do you see now?
Dude, it like went into like, for a split second I saw something.
Are you in the room?
I was in like a little world, but like it's not there no more. Oh shoot, include. Bug reporter. What do I do? How do I do it? Oh, I'm in. I guess I have to walk around.
Bro, is that what you had to
Oh,
do?
wait a second. Create a boundary here? Yes. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh my gosh. Like, I can see stuff, but I'm not. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Are you in the room?
I don't know. I see butterflies and like I'm floating in the air.
Bro, what? Are you dead?
Am I dead? Oh man. But then it still says something went wrong. Bro, what the heck? Oh shoot, I'm flying. Pop, pop. Wait, I want to play Beastars.
You cannot play that here, bro.
Oh.
They're gonna tell you to get out.
You need to leave. Okay, first I want to figure out how to actually do this. Cause why am I like, my time's already up.
I do gotta go to
Oh,
class.
do have class. Oh. Ooh. Yep. You know what? Let's Sorry, chat. It is time to go to class. You know,
You did drive.
I did drive. Did my makeup mess up? What happened here?
I don't know what else I
Oh. Apple Pencil. And you're in class till when?
So 3:50.
Whew, okay, alright. Ooh.
Are you gonna loiter around?
I'm just gonna load around. I'll probably be on stream till my iPad dies.
W plan.
W plan. We'll loiter around. Might go back to the game room.
I'll keep watching.
Mm.
Watch from my end.
Chat. What do we do, guys? Should we go loiter around, see if we can find some food?
That's the smart shit.
Well, you need more deer.
I did hit a couple deer. I ran off the road. I think I crashed.
Crashed.
Oh, I went into a ditch, but I think I got it. I think I can do it like IRL.
Real world.
Yep. Thank you so much. You have a good one. www. Oh, you are your dance today?
You could walk through the window, be like a freak. I know that person.
Oh, we got it to Josh. Oh.
In the dance building. Are you gonna sneak in there?
Yeah, I'll sneak in. I'll come watch. Me and chat got it. Wow, it's raining.
My new forklift.
Driving my new forklift. Nice.
Driving my new semi-truck.
Driving my new semi-truck.
Are you back on? Are you on?
Yes. We will loiter. Might just end. I can't come. I'm gonna follow. Can I see your performance where you shake?
They join you. He's like, hey, just come on.
Just go. Hey! Can I dance with y'all?
The green room?
Green room. I can go in here? Yo!
A lounge.
Wow.
There's a little microwave.
Mmm.
Are you gonna be in here?
Freaky. I'll be in here. See what I can do.
And you can just say that you're waiting for me.
Alright. Is this only for like drama people?
Yeah.
Oh. Whew. Alright, guys. What we doing? Let's see. Chat. What to do. Alright, chat. It's time to end. The time has come. Bye-bye.